So let's get warmer, lose the tension, be together. I know how to treat you better. Make this moment unforgettable. With this, feelings undeniable. Moyo shajipa kwani na nafsi imekukubali. Nimekimbiza nyuki nile asali. Oh Lord.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the most cheapest afro wig ever. So we're going to be needing a few things. So the first thing we need is a wig cap, we need a crochet needle, we need hair, and in this case I'll be using Ceres Braid by Sister Kenya. We're going to be needing scissors and hairpins. So this is how the hair looks from the inside, and then I'm going to cut it into two and then start crocheting the hair onto the wig cap. So this is the same old crocheting process, you guys. Like, it's very easy. You only need to watch and see what I'm doing, and then you'll be able to learn from that. Okay. So I'll keep on crocheting the hair onto the wig cap, and this wig cap looks like it's a small wig cap, guys, but it's not a small wig cap because I ended up spending 6 hours crocheting the hair onto the wig cap. So here's the trick, guys. If you want a big voluminous wig, then you have to make sure that you don't leave spaces in between the boxes. But if you want a less voluminous wig, you have to make sure that you leave spaces in between the boxes. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I'll keep on doing the same process, and once I reach at the middle and at the back of the wig, I'll make sure that I cut the hair into 4 times, like one bundle, because it comes with 8 bundles. So I'll cut one bundle 4 times. Yeah, so at the end of the video I ended up using 1 pack of the Ceres Braid. So once I'm done with the crocheting process, I'm going to take this elastic band and start sewing it onto the wig. This elastic band is going to act as a hold once I put on the wig. So this is me trying the wig on, and I did trim the hair off camera, and once I looked myself on the mirror I was like, no, like, no, this is not working for me. Like, I was looking like a 50-year-old, but it's okay. I'm gonna fix it because I am a fixer. I'm kidding, guys. I'm gonna fix it and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And last year I had promised guys that I was going to be doing a giveaway and I wasn't able to do it, so I'm going to be doing it this year. So I will be announcing the winners on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that. And also I'm going to be leaving a comment down below with all the names of the winners. Thank you guys for all those who participated into the giveaway. Until next time, bye.